Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is STL March 2023 Part 6. This is for tabletop, Warhammer proxies, anime figure, like regular statue figure for Marvel and DC as well. If you do like them, please let me know down in the comments. If you do have a Patreon you guys want me to look at, please leave it down in the comments as well. Don't forget to check our Patreon, Discord, Etsy as well down below. And let's look at what we have right now. We have Titan Forge, a very good D&D figures as well. I think they also do have like stats for war tabletop too. So that is Scarlet, Loyalty, Angel of Justice. That's pretty cool to have. I've been having them for years. So this is our whole selection that we have for March. It looks freaking Clockwork, Soul Forge. This is really a good figure for Emberon campaign for it. And see, yeah, it's actually a tabletop battle game. I usually mostly use this for D&D. So this is pretty cool to have. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. God damn it, I'm broke. And you got your elves, some kind of bug, earth elemental, and your bases as well. And your ship. Yes, you must have that ship. Flesh of God. The gory dark type, good for Elden Ring, Dark Souls. It took me a while for it. Where's this? Face of a Dying World free mini. Special bundle. Get notified. I figure that out later. The Abyss, the Time Abyss. So we have humans, Scions, Space Roger Jump, Elf Oracle, Elf Chronomancer, Monsters, got Sphinx, Time Dragon, The Forgotten, From Space, Andro Sphinx, Chrono, Abomination, Time Shifter, the Chrononauts. I think these should be good for Spelljammer for it. So we got the Bard, Clairvoyant, Archaeologist. Yeah, these would be very good for Spelljammer type games as well. You have different two types, old and young vampire, Master of Time, and you have the deranged jester. So yeah, this looks very good to have, and you have an amulet for prop, and there's your throwbacks, and your welcome pack. I'll get notified. I might get it. Just do that. Mammoth Factory, another good D&D miniature as well. The Land of the Blind. So I'm guessing Blind Behemoth. Soul Eater 2. So it looks like you've got the Underdark. This is where you can do Devour Fee Beast. I haven't seen that thing in a long time. That looks freaking awesome. Dread Knight. So if you go in the Underdark, you can go pie against these because they're blind. Blinded things. Lady Helen. Warriors. This is pretty good to do. Freaking look at those details on these damn things. Damn. They've gone a long way. It's just getting better and better every month. It gets better and better on them making these things. Okay, Beastaria, good for Dark Souls and Elden Ring type miniatures for your board games and stuff. And or Dark Soul RPG game that I have. So let's see what we got here. So this is look like going more towards the capital or a fort. And you can see all of these as well. The Baza throne room's gonna take a lot of resin. That is just that I'd want to I need to redo my story all over again. This would be very good to have. Just dark and chaos and carnage. That looks freaking I like it. I like it. Is that a skin flesh cape? Holy shit! This would probably cool to print, or make convert into a Slanesh type thing as well. This is more like a Slanesh thing for Warhammer. But yeah, we got those for it. Bite the bullet, another good for D&D. They said kobolds. They look more like the kobolds from Pathfinder. Just letting you guys know. Trying to see if they have. Here we go. Better looking ones. So you have kobolds this month. They have pretty good. They have very good, miniatures as well. It kind of look cartoonish, but it's actually a lot easier if you do different colors of this. So this one is like also part of the Icewind Dale one campaign that's out. See three kobolds in a jacket, but yeah, it's freaking good. Next one we got Nom Nom figures. These are the ones I sell on Etsy. Prints for it as well. So this is from last month. They finally released. I don't know what this is gonna be for. This is for last month as well. Bloodborne. I think it's only the male. There's no female. Chibi Calo Go. This is gonna be for April. What's for March? Let's see what's for March. I don't think we have much for March. There we go, March. March is Sephiroth, Orc Bog from Goblin Slayer, Zerosus, Cat Bus, and Deadpool. That's for March. So we'll see more of that later on down the road. They usually don't cap all them out to end of the month, end of the next month. We have a figure from Elden Ring, looks like it, or from Dark Souls. Yeah, Elden Ring. Remember beating him. He has two forms. That's his second form too. It's a pain in the ass to kill. And we have, I forgot her name, but Final Fantasy 13. Lightning. There you go. And Olden, the horse of Olden. And those are the two. Looks like that's going to be out. Oh, and also we have Zelda. That's going to be out as well for OXO3D. One page rule, good proxy for Age of Sigmar and Warhammer. Just letting you guys know as well. Free 2 gifts for tier 2 Patreon. I want to see the monthly motherfucker. March release. Looks like a Jackal or Rat Folks. I wonder how strong the Rat Folks are on Age of Sigmar, because I got a lot of them as well. And I do want to proxy a lot of them. You see a little mouse merchant as well. These look pretty darn cool. And they're very good detailed as well. And they're good proxy for Age of Sigmar and for Warhammer too, if you get the right ones. Like these would be good for Battles of Sisters, these two tanks. These wings would be good for, Sengring guards for it. You may have to clip some of the hands and stuff, but looks like these are just Battles of Sisters for these as well. Do want to print those tanks. And we got the Jackals. And this ship. And those cutouts if you can't 3D print it. Werewolf Tavern. This will be the last one for part 6. What we got? I don't think they do freaking thing. Oh, we gotta look at the video. Looks like it. Oh, no sound. Okay. Looks like I got Harpies. The Harpy Queen. 1080 auto. Yep, all Harpies. I think that's an angel because it doesn't have the talent of the foot. Or is that light hand? The Abomination. This looks like a dragon. Like there's like different types of dragons. Kind of look it up. Wyvern set. That's a good looking Wyvern. I don't mind printing them. Harpy set. If you don't have any harpies, there you go. Different types of harpies. And we have the Wyvern Hunter. These will go look in the jungle where the dinosaurs are at. And you have your busts. Well, anyhow, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Leave down in the comments which one you do like, or get me the names of which one you guys want me to look at. And check our Patreon, Discord, and Etsy. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.